What's up, movie lovers? Welcome back to Filmy Ye Sala. Yesterday, red hot trailer of Baby John dropped, which will be releasing on Christmas Eve on 25th December. Here are my thoughts on this trailer. Baby John is the official adaptation of 2016 hit movie Theory, which was written and directed by the mass entertainer Atlee, starring none other than the one and only Thalapathy Vijay and Samantha Ruth Prabhu in the lead roles. Baby John is directed by Khalees, whose earlier venture Key was a big miss. Talking about Baby John, here the character of Thalapathy Vijay is played by Varun Dhawan, who is experimenting with various characters since his critically acclaimed movie October. And God, I must say, he is looking intense here. The good thing about Varun Dhawan is that he can essay both intense roles and chocolatey boy roles with utmost conviction. On top of that, his natural comedic timing is brilliant, so he seems like a perfect fit to play the lead role in Baby John. This movie looks like a true mass entertainer, like every Atlee movie ever. This movie is made under his own production house. So yes, this movie has all the flavors of a typical Atlee movie and presented in the same way with larger than life presence of the lead characters. Choreography of stunts looks brilliant and the cinematography looks just on point. Even though it's a remake, it has adapted well according to the changing times. It has been almost around 9 years since Theory was released in the year 2016. The stunts here looks more refined. The lead actress Kirti Suresh, who is a seasoned campaigner, has worked in Malayalam, Tamil and Telugu film industry, is also making a debut here in Bollywood with Baby John. She is a wonderful actress and is looking pretty here. The antagonist here is played by our very own Jackie Shroff, Urf Jaggu Dada. He is looking menacing. It will be refreshing to watch him in such a meaty role. The soundtracks like Nain Matakka is already creating the right waves, unlike the songs of Pushpa 2 movie. The background score given by S. Thaman adds to the hype of this movie. Last but not the least, the cameo of Salman Khan. It seems like it's fire here. Seems like a cameo which will engage the audience and bring loud cheers and whistles in theaters. His intense eyes and voice at the end of this trailer is something we will all look forward to. Let's see whether Varun Dhawan will be able to fit into the shoes of Thalapathy Vijay, because definitely it is a big ask for sure. I am like super excited for this mass entertainer to watch it on a big screen. So there you have it, my thoughts on the trailer of Baby John. Will it be a hit or a miss? Do let me know in the comments below. Until next time, take care and keep smiling.